Hey everybody, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to talk about the pips and we're going to talk about the crypto on the Pip Crypto Show, where we do our thing. Daily price action. The channel that I drew looks, seems to be executing out of the channel now. So there are opportunities for sales. Right now I'm quite fascinated because this zone is holding up like I mentioned before, and why I like price action and why I like to emphasize on waiting. You remember those lines that I drew earlier? They got broken, they were tested. They still could be tested. This relative support down here, we're gonna see what's going on in a little bit, but right here I would have found my first selling opportunity. I would have probably entered somewhere right here when I realized this average of resistance in the future that was once support was broken. Boom, was broken, and then I would have been looking for opportunities to sell. So right now I'm looking to sell BTCUSD. It's not really that hard to kind of explain, but I'm gonna probably take this out right here, delete, take this one out. Hold on, maybe yes, from the previous video, because I haven't been analyzing. There's been a lot of things going around in the neighboring cities where a lot of things have been, yes, but because this was broken, I have to draw a new one, delete. We're gonna have some potential setups. Alright, cool. So now that this was an engulfing variation where these two candles on a higher time frame, let's go check it out. 4 hour, yes, we have an engulfing on the 4 hour. That engulfing on the 4 hour is very interesting right now. But remember this fibs that we drew, because we created a new higher high. We might be at our next potential higher low. I like to get the average. So boom. Get the average using the wicks. Where it's at right now is an interesting level. It might come here, find some support potentially, but based off the pattern that I've created, which was based off, I think, the daily, if I'm not mistaken, which takes longer to play out. Yeah, see, this is what's interesting about these harmonic patterns, that people have a tendency to rush to like I said, you seen that wick, price did not close above this X, so that gave me an indication that all of this was exhaustion. And see, even on the daily, if I waited and watched this on the daily, I missed the opportunity to have a really good entry for a sell. It's left the building. But if this pattern plays out, like I said, I'll be selling Bitcoin for a while. But looking for very strong buy opportunity. I want to say the first buy opportunity is going to be over here. Might test that out, but also potentially if it doesn't break this area at all either, Bitcoin will be going up for a while. But like I said, it's all a waiting game. You can't really, right now it's going down because it's volatile. Based off volatility, it's very volatile. On a smaller time frame, it might be saying complete sells right now. We can do a quick top-down analysis from the daily down. You see, well, this is where it gets interesting. All right, 1 hour, we have an engulfing. And with this support right here, like right now, prices, for me, it's stuck. And because it's stuck, I don't really want to make any clear calls right now, but I am looking for sells if this structure right here, because this whole candles or the next few candles can break over this trend line. This trend line is still, you know, a great indication of, is it getting ready to shoot up or is it setting up to shoot back down, because it's ranging right now. It hasn't really made a clear choice, but it has broken the channel, which I spoke about. It came right here, found some resistance, but this support and resistance level right here is what I'm waiting for right here. Boom. If it comes and creates this floor, because this is what happened. Look what happened last time. Came, engulfed. Well, the first time it broke it, came, tested it, retested it. Once it retested it, it continued to go up, but on the top of, around the peak of the channel, it went sideways, found some resistance, and started falling. And the last level of support where it should have created the floor for that, it didn't. But that could be some strong resistance, which needs more buying power, which would be down here somewhere, the 38.2 or the 61.8. But it's a waiting game. We don't know yet where price is heading, because where price is at right now, it can create, or depending on how the next few candles close, if they close towards the upside, it's potential buying. What's crazy about trading, it takes patience. It's not that you don't know what you're doing, you just got to learn how to wait. You probably even know how to trade and don't even know that you've been trading this whole time, because the concept, it can be applied in anything else. Like, I have a friend of mine, he sells shoes, and he studies the supply and demand of things, and I was looking like, wow, I use zones, supply and demand, you know, like this was a demand zone, so the structure has to find some area of supply to meet the demand to break it. And then once I started understanding that, you know, using trend lines and channels, and oh man, what is going on here? I want to go on BitTricks. Oh, I do have other cryptos, by the way. But based off this, we had a nice little engulfing here, so I don't know. Oh my goodness, what is going on? I think I own my ripples on here, but I wasn't planning to talk about BitTricks today. I'll talk about BitTricks on another video. I'm gonna get back to the charts real quick. I don't understand, man. I don't know, there's a lot of hacking going on too, so be careful. Change out passwords and things of that nature. I don't know what happened. And why I spend so much time talking about trading today is because I realized a lot of my videos, I'm kind of quick with it, because like, I understand what I'm seeing, but I'm pretty sure some of y'all don't, and it could be possibly, you know, for different variations of things. But if we do see this downtrend, we will want to pull out our fibs if you're looking to short, all based off your bias. Also on the 30-minute, I think I missed out my next opportunity. Boom, yeah, it's missed already, because probably gonna sell BTCUSD right now. Yeah, nice opportunity to sell. I'm gonna sell this to show y'all. Or maybe do I want to buy? Hold on. No, it's a downtrend. That's what I've been trying to explain to y'all, right? Trend line. There's really no wicks to make. Yeah, there's really no wicks. There's no. That's why I don't want to call it a downtrend, but I am gonna sell. Risk $5. Selling BTC USD. Showing y'all. Boom. It is live. Boom, live account. I don't have no take profits yet. I'm gonna hold real quick because I think the volatility, if this is this right here would be the break of this structure. If we pull out our fibs again, oh, that's what I was supposed to show y'all, the fibs. I'm probably gonna do another video on this right here, Hextracoin and free coins that you can get, free Bitcoin with CoinPro. But I felt like I can continue to proceed with, yes, I should be in profit right now. You see, boom, y'all are witnessing this. I'm probably gonna scalp to here till price hits there, get like, you know, a quick 200 pips. Why I like to scalp crypto is because of the volatility. You can get your price target range really quick, you know, boom. Like a penny could make $50 real quick with 500 pips. Like if I can hold to 38.2, I'll probably get a solid 300 pips, you know. Yeah, get a solid 300 pips. That's $30 with a penny. Like that's nice. That's nice. That's what I did, 0.01, while price has dropped. I'm definitely in profit. I'm going to show y'all. Yeah, boom. And see, and that quick, how quick I got in the profit. Like, this is what scares people. You can make money fast or you can lose it fast. Like, that's already, you know, a quick 20 pips. Boom. Because it moves fast. It moves super fast. I'm probably going to want to hold. This engulfing right here gave me the confirmation that I know I need to sell. I waited for another opportunity to re-enter, created higher highs, higher low. Oh, I never drew out the fibs. This is why I was saying I need to draw out this fibs real quick for you guys. Retracement. And this is going short. I'm going short on BTCUSD. I'm going short. Because like I said, I like to use the average. So boom. And then if I ride this out like how I would want to, I put these as my initial take profits of the push or the move of the ideal swing. How I believe, you know, this is going to play out. This would be my, you know, ideal take profit. If price comes here, I'll probably try to place a stop profit and ride it out. Some people would place a stop loss right here. That's like normal, but look how much you're possibly risking. I don't like that. You know, like I just want to get into profit, place a stop profit. Like if I get $5 into profit, I'll take that $5 and I'll place a stop profit there, you know, and just hold it at that point. If this pattern right here can engulf and control, you know, this push that it has on, which looks like a potential ABCD, but I don't want to call it ABCD pattern. I'm just waiting. If this holds and it can continue to push down, I'll just ride it out. You know, that's manually maintaining an order. You know, I'm going short and maintaining my order. How about that? That's what I'm going to call this. I went short BTCUSD and now I'm going to maintain the order with a stop profit. So let's ride it out. Free signal. And I'm still in profit. 150. You see price fluctuations quick. Just showing y'all like this is possible. You can do this too. I'm just a regular guy.